Welcome to the viewers of my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see one more interesting topic which is entitled as Red Dot Initiative Movement. It's a social activist movement that has been initiated by Idhi Rawat from Bangalore, which is mainly focused against physical, social and mental harassments of any category of female gender from child to woman. So before we get enter into the video, kindly subscribe my channel and click the notification and bell icon to receive the further updates in the future. So the Red Dot Initiative movement is the event has been initiated mainly for the issues which is based on physical, social, mental harassment of any category of female gender from child to woman. This movement is initiated by Idhi Rawat, a social activist from Bangalore. They organized Red Dot campaign through that they proceed field work and find solution up to their maximum level for the problems faced by women. This movement is mainly focused on the aspects like dowry torture, physical, mental and social harassment and abusement, sexual abusement and harassment to the woman by finding or solving the problem. Due to the corona infection and affection of economic strategy for male like loss of work, no job, work stress, work from home, online working, they face many stresses and they transfer the impact of the stress to their spouse and female member of their houses. This leads to major or sometimes fatal problem to the women. To get relief the woman from this untouchability, this Red Dot movement has been initiated. In this, the women who has affected by the above issue can forward the complaint to this association by taking the photo along with the marking red color dot or point on their palm of their hand and forward the photo along with their location of their residence to the weftinfo@gmail.com, or can WhatsApp the image along with the Google location of the residence to 9686119822. Based on the complaint forwarded by the woman from where their location is there, the members of the campaign belong to that or nearby area will proceed to that location for the action to be taken as soon as. After started this campaign at Facebook, initially 200 above calls has been received to them within few minutes. Based on the weightage of complaint, action has been taken as soon as by the members of this Red Dot Initiative movement. Before this Red Dot Initiative movement, Idhi Rawat organized an initiated WEFT, Women Entrepreneurs for Transformation, which is mainly focused on problems faced by women challenges and discomfortability in their working place. Through this WEFT, they give standby support to the concerned women by uplifting them financially through